Hi y'all already know what it is. It's your girl, Lyric. Put a crown on it. So what we gonna be doing today is, I don't know. I'm kind of bored. But yeah, we finna pick up my clothes for tomorrow. So, make me cry. Turn back and make me cry. Welcome to the fashion room. I'm dead. Welcome to the fashion room. Okay. What are these baby dolls? So I got me some jeans. And I got me like a shirt. It's a Brooklyn t-shirt. It say do it for grind. I ain't gonna do it. So I'm gonna iron my pants first. Sheesh. Smell good. As y'all know, I'm gonna be making slime today, and I'm gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna be on TikTok doing this. I'm gonna be on everything doing this. I'm gonna even pick clothes. Okay. Ooh, yeah, it's hot. So you're gonna make sure your leg that you're ironing right now is straight. So if you have water in this, water helps. I want you to do that leg. You're gonna place your iron right here. Then you're gonna do the back. You can do this like this. I'll fold it up like that. Then you're gonna iron the back piece. Then once you do that, you're gonna flip it over again. Then you're gonna iron this piece. You're gonna wait a little bit. Then do your leg. Then you're gonna do your other one the same way. That's how I do it. This one, but yeah, I'm a whole different person. Never know if people do these things. So you don't have to be turning around. Now that I'm done with my pants, we're gonna put them on the bench. I'm ironing my clothes.
Why you turned the light on?
I don't know. I thought you were gonna get me, so I was gonna get out. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'll talk about it. Okay, yeah. I got my shirt ready. Because this is all I use when my slime is. See? This is what I use when my slime. Let me show y'all. Look at this. So it has some. Yeah, I have 2 bottles of these. Then I have some Tide. Then I have some shaving cream. I tried to open it so like when it was hard to open, so like when I get to make the slime tomorrow morning when I get up and when I get up and then eat my breakfast and then what I gotta do and then make my slime. So I thought it'd just be easier to do that. Yeah, shaving cream. I got some more beauty balls because I'm making two, as you didn't know about this. So yeah, shh. Yeah, we can go back in there. So spending night at my nana's house. First. So staying night at my nana's house and pick up with a water school. Go, watch. Come on, Mom, guys, give me one chance. Give me one chance. Y'all, I don't even know what to say. Yo, I'm trying to find my sister's shirt. Like, for real. Yeah, I don't know what she did with my daughter, but if she's so lucky, go out. Social media. If y'all don't believe it ain't from Justice. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hit it. Here that is. Here it is. Here it is. Social media. Blessing her. Y'all can see it's always hinges. I'm ready to make some slime, like for real. Make me no. Where's the camera? There's the camera. What did I do with it? So, yeah, bench. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. My phone could be on the charger. So, bye. Thank you guys whoever watched this video. Always know, share, love, and subscribe. Hit that like button.